Where is the ark? Wasn't that the whole premise of that movie from the 80s, that they were looking for the ark? Isn't that what it means? The Raiders of the Lost Ark. It was lost. They were trying to find out where it was. Okay, don't. Like having Mandela effect, like maybe it never existed. I know it existed. I know there was such a thing. Okay. At any rate, so where is the ark? I never thought about that. Okay, well, I'm asking you now, where is the ark? So people don't know that when Shlomo Melech, King Solomon, built the temple, he built catacombs. You know what catacombs are? Like caves, labyrinths, underneath the Beis HaMikdash. Why did he do it? Because he knew there would come a time when the temple he built would be destroyed. So precisely, the Aron, the ark, is in its spot, just straight down. Now, you can't get there by going straight down because it's a convoluted, that's what a catacomb is by definition. It's convoluted. And I wouldn't recommend trying to go there. And even if you don't have issues of Tumah V'Tara, because you'll end up like that Nutty Putty cave guy if you try to do it. You got it, Simcha? You got it? You didn't laugh. It was a dark joke and you didn't laugh. What? You did? Okay, you held it in? Yes. Okay. So the Aron is exactly in its spot, but it's in those catacombs that King Solomon built. What's the lesson to us? The lesson is, you look at the Beis HaMikdash, it's in a desolate state. It's destroyed. And yet the Aron is still there. I don't see it. It's there. Where is it? It's in there. It's down exactly in its spot. It's down there. You got to look for it. It's there. You got to know it's there. So you look at a Jew. Each one of us is a Beis HaMikdash. And he looks desolate. He looks completely removed from his Yiddishkeit. Who is this guy? And you have to know that within him is an Aron Kodesh, a holy ark. And it's there. It's there. It's covered up. But it's buried, but it's there. And specifically the Aron. The Aron, what was the contents? What were the contents of the Aron? Well, the luchos, the tablets, the 2 tablets that Moshe brought from Sinai. The embodiment of the law, the embodiment of the Torah. So the Aron with the luchos, the tablets, the ark with the tablets, that is our connection to Torah. So you see a Jew who looks like a desolate, destroyed Beis HaMikdash, but in that Jew, there is intact a connection to Torah. And we only need to access it, tap into it, and reveal it. It's there. That's why I never hesitate to share a word of Torah, even with someone you think has no interest in those types of things. You'll be shocked what types of subconscious responses you trigger inadvertently just by sharing a word of Torah. Hey, this is Shais Taub. You were just watching a clip from this class. If you want to get the full context, the full class that this clip that you just watched was from, you watch right here. Click right